Hi there, it's me again. I'm just wanting to talk a little bit about eating disorders. Lately, I've found out that a friend, not a, a friend of a friend, that makes sense, passed away. Um, I think from their eating disorder. I don't know all the details, but I assume it is because the person was in an intensive um, IOP program. So I just wanted to say that I'm so sick of eating disorders that I just I'm sick and tired of hearing of people passing away from them. People that I know and other people that friends that I know that their friends have passed away too. It's just really, really super sad that have to they have to struggle with an eating disorder and just let I call eating disorder Ed and I call Ed is a he to me, so I'm gonna refer to it as that, letting Ed win. It's hard because for many years for me I let Ed win in my life, and it was hard to fight, and I didn't fight for many years. And hold on, I got the TV on. I have to turn it down. There we go. Sorry about that if you heard that. Um, for many years, I didn't want to give up Ed. I learned my eating disorder in high school. I'm now beginning in my 40s. Yes, I'm 40 years old. Thank goodness I'm in recovery now from my eating disorder. Um, yeah, I've had it for a long time. I don't know what I would do if I lost a very, very close friend of mine to their eating disorder. I don't know what I do. I have several friends that I'm very close to that have eating disorders and struggle. And they are trying very hard to be in recovery, but it's very difficult for them. All they can do is keep on trying and keep on reaching out, and they're doing that, and I'm very proud of them. Very proud of them. Recovery is possible. I'm going on this winter. It'll be 2 years. So, yeah. Which is great for me. And I'm thankful. Um, it's possible. All I know is one day when I was in my worst part of the eating disorder, not my rock, well, I don't think I ever hit rock bottom with my eating disorder. Or maybe I did. I'm not sure. I don't think I ever did. I think I would know if I ever hit my rock bottom. I just said to myself I wanted to try something different. I didn't want to be purging and restricting, and I just didn't want to count calories and everything, and I just didn't want to do it anymore. I wanted to try something different. And I saw I saw this play that was called Normal, which I was grateful for. And basically I knew what it was all about and everything, and it got me to thinking. And before that I heard, people talk about their recovery. And I said to myself I was going to try something different. Recovery instead of the eating disorder. So I tried recovery. And then that's what I started, and I realized that it was different, and I wanted it more than I wanted the eating disorder. So I gave into recovery, and I did it for myself. Did it for nobody else but myself. And now when I struggle, I do have times when I struggle, because I had, on here that I was struggling and wanting to throw in the towel. Well, I had a little bump in the road. I had a little bit of a setback, not a relapse. I don't call it a relapse. But I got myself back on track. It was maybe a couple weeks, 3 weeks that I wasn't doing too well, but I got myself back on track. Started talking to my therapist, started being really open and honest with her about what was going on with my emotions and feelings, and started seeing my dietitian a little bit more often, 2 weeks instead of a month, and that helped me get myself back on track, which was great. So I don't know where I'm going with this. I just am so unhappy to hear of people passing away from eating disorders when they don't need to. And I totally understand how hard it is to get into recovery. It's not something that you snap your fingers and you're there. It's a process. And it takes determination to get there. And it takes a lot of hard work. It's not something that just happens overnight. And you can't beat yourself up if you make a slip or you hit a bump in the road. All I know is I don't want to hear of any of my friends passing away from an eating disorder. I would be so devastated. I want to be there for everybody. I should say all my friends. I want to make myself available for them. You can contact me anytime. You know who you are. You can put a comment on my YouTube, you know. You can Facebook me. You can text me. Because I love you guys all my friends. Please don't give up. You're worth it. I love you. And I'm proud of you for making strides in your recovery. You all can do it. I'm here to help you in any way. You all take care now. God bless you all. And I'm here. Bye-bye now.